Hey everyone, Nick here with development log number 2. It's currently February 12th, 2018. It's been around a little less than 2 weeks since my last update log. What I've been working on is really the visuals of the game. As you can see, I have added little button indicators of how to interact with the interactable objects in the game. They just kind of appear, and it just makes it so the player isn't confused on how to actually play the game and are more focused on, doing the puzzles. You can see light is beginning to show because I've actually added a cloud scripting sort of thing. It creates procedurally generated clouds that move and are different every time you look at it, and continually produce clouds. You can actually cloud watch if you so wish, which is pretty sweet if you ask me. I also redid the skybox. It's a little bluer, and I added a sun which is currently hiding behind the clouds. Hopefully we get a cool little light through here that I can show you. I've also redone the draggable cubes. I added some glass, a little more details just to make them pop more. I also added the new sound effects I was discussing. They're actually pretty quiet right now. And I redid all the, there you go, you can hear it. I also redid all the menu systems. New menu look completely. I think they look way better, a lot easier to read, a lot cleaner, just a lot better in general. I wasn't a big fan of the last one. The last ones were definitely placeholders. But overall, I think this might be the final version of it. I think it looks great. I also worked on some animations. You can see the gun kind of vibrates now when dragging. The walk animation is a little more pronounced, and then you got a new sprint animation just to add, more feeling to the game and whatnot. You can see the cloud is starting to show the sun. You get some light. It feels like an actual world, which is sweet. I created a draggable sphere that actually kills you. That's what the red indicators show. So you can't let it actually touch you, but it acts just like a sphere would, and it'll allow me to create some cooler levels. I decided to add glass to all like the blue objects just to make them pop more and make them look nicer. What else have I worked on? I mentioned the sound effects. I have been a new platform looking thing. It kind of has a piston to it instead of the old more set structure to it. I may animate these, like say I power it with a blue cube and it shoots up to its predetermined height or whatever. I haven't animated them yet, they're just static, but I still may do that. Haven't quite decided yet. I made a new triangle, I guess. This used to be much more pixelated type looking thing, but made them cleaner. I think it looks a lot better. I actually created a new door as well. I haven't put it in this level yet to show you. I should have, but you can check out some of my other videos or GIFs that I've made on it to check out the new door. I also made the reflection on the glass ceiling real time instead of baked, which means it actually shows real time, like what's happening in the level, instead of having to build the lighting and then everything's just straight up baked into this, like it wouldn't be showing the power cubes or anything like that, which is pretty nice. I haven't decided if I'm going to implement it all the way through the levels yet, but it's definitely something I'm thinking of. In the coming weeks, I plan on continuing the visual trend just because I've been on kind of a kick with it. And I think I've been doing a lot of great work, and things are looking better that I've actually worked on, so I'll probably continue doing that in the coming weeks, as well as working on the story on and off that I've been doing, the dialogue and the script and whatnot, and maybe touch on some more side-scroller stuff. But I really want to get the visuals down in first person before transferring them over to side-scroller. Just sort of my workflow. Do it first in first person, make sure it looks good here, and then kind of move it over to the side-scroller. So I generally wait to work on the side-scroller until things are at a stable spot in the first person. But yeah, that's really all I got for you this log. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully you look forward to a couple more updates. Thank you.